Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have the weekly Chrome updates for security. And so if you are using Google Chrome like a big chunk of people, go into your Chrome browser, upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, go down to Help and About Google Chrome. This will push you to version 136.0.7103.92 or 93. And this fixes 2 security flaws. They are medium severity, so they're not too bad. They are in web audio, so there's something that happens there in the web audio that actually creates the conditions to have security flaw. Usually medium means that it actually is a little more difficult to be able to exploit, and also will probably need physical access to the computer in order to work. So check it out. Still, it's important to fix these security updates, and remember, your web browser is your first line of defense, so this is how you're going to stay safe. And basically, you will, of course, want to check the Chromium-based browsers. So if you're using Edge, Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, and more, you will probably get this security update at some point later today or this week. Each company, of course, doesn't do it at the same speed. And we'll be coming back on this for Edge and talk about make sure that you check for the Chromium later this week, probably. So 2 security flaws, medium severity, fixed in Google Chrome for this week's security updates. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.